Now, can mobile tech do much to reduce poverty in Africa? According to the World Bank, more Africans are poor today than in 1990. 2 in 5 adults are still illiterate, and violence is on the rise. Giving people better access to finance is one solution. But how do you do that when your nearest bank is an hour or more away? Well, in London this week, LeapFrog, a business which invests in financial services firms in developing markets, brought together some of the companies trying to address these issues using mobile technology. I went along to speak to a couple of them, starting with Gustaf Agartson, CEO of BIMA, a company that provides mobile micro-insurance.
The African consumers, they don't have access to insurance today. And what we're doing is basically that we give them that access. So we sell life insurance product, personal accident insurance, health insurance product to them. And it hasn't been possible before to create affordable insurance products for these consumers. And the way we do that is that we use mobile operators and their infrastructure as a payment channel. Thanks to that, we can collect premium in a very cost-efficient way, which makes the product affordable to the customers.
So mobile technology is at the heart of this. This would not be possible without the spread of that mobile technology. And have your customers got phones that are sophisticated enough to deal with your product?
Yes, it's correct. It wouldn't be possible without mobile technology. What's good with mobile technology is also that you can use the payment platform, the mobile operator's billing platform, as a payment channel independently of the level of handset that the customer is having. So even a customer with the lowest end handset and very old phone can still subscribe for our product and pay for them.
Andrew Watkins-Ball, your company Jumo, is that story we've just heard there, does that reflect what's been happening to you?
It does. I think we're similar to BIMA in the sense that we are focused on giving African people very low-cost choices which improve their lives. And we do it in a slightly different way. We are essentially a bridge between banks and mobile networks. We help banks to reach people using mobile network infrastructure. We don't really mind what the technology is. We're trying to make sure that people are competing to put the best choice in the hands of the small business owner or the farmer.
Give us an example of how it's changing a farmer's life.
Farmers particularly have lumpy income. And so you'll find that a farmer maybe in a remote area needs to plant seed because he or she thinks that they're the right conditions coming to be able to grow a very short life crop and doesn't have the capital at that moment in time to be able to purchase the seed. Even if they did have the capital, they'd have to travel 100 kilometers to go and source it and then travel to get the seed. So our choice that's on their mobile phone, which can be in their mobile wallet in seconds, is a huge saving for them, not only because it's a low-cost product, because it avoids the travel, it avoids having to wait and not being able to realize that profit opportunity.
And Gustaf, finally, is there a sense in which there's more experimentation going on in Africa with this kind of mobile technology than in parts of the world where, for instance, having access to finance is not such an issue?
I think that's correct. And I think the reason for that is that it's the only way right now, for example, to provide insurance. You need to innovate. You need to use mobile technology. So I think it's going to continue to develop faster in emerging markets.
Gustaf Agartson of BIMA and Andrew Watkins-Ball of Jumo.